Creating a new account for Google is very easy. The first thing you'll need to do is go to Google and type in console Google. Just like that. Console Google. And the first one that comes up is this one. code.google.com/APIs console. Now make sure you're logged in at this time. If you haven't got a YouTube or Gmail account, you will need to sign up and get yourself a YouTube or a Gmail account to be able to use YouTube. So make sure you're signed up and signed in to be able to go here. From there, you'll probably come to a screen that looks like this with a button that says Create Project. And you can just simply click to create the project there. Let's give it a name. I'm going to call it Hydravid Upload, something like that. It will automatically give it a project ID number. Click on Create. That will take a few minutes to populate. Great. And we can see that we're now inside of the project ID area. So this screen has changed automatically once it's been created. It took a few minutes. You can go back to projects and you can now see that project in the list and click on it from there as well. Next, we'll need to create what's called an API key. And to do that, we're going to go to APIs and auth, and we're going to go to credentials. From here, in the credentials area, we need to click on the public API access create new key, which is shown here. From here, it is a browser key. Okay, you don't need to worry about the other ones. It's a browser key. So we're going to click a browser key, and this is important. This is where we need to put the YouTube callback URL, which is underneath this video on the training screen. Okay, the YouTube callback URL looks like this. This is the YouTube callback URL, which is located under this video on the training page. We're just going to copy that, go back to our console, paste that in, and click on Create. At that point, we have an API key, and we're ready to go with YouTube. We can simply copy that API key, and then in Hydravid, on the YouTube accounts, we're prompted to enter our username, email, and password, and that API key which we just created. Your username and email and password you'll know, of course, from your YouTube account and your email account. If you have any issues with uploading to YouTube, simply replace the username with your Gmail email. So you would have email, and then password. But you can go username, email, and password, or email, and password. And that's the API key there from Google and YouTube.